Look at this image. What do you see? Thousands of galaxies, each home to billions of stars, planets, and perhaps life. But what if I told you that for decades, we were looking at this exact same spot and saw absolutely nothing? It was pitch black, a void. We thought we were looking at the edge of the universe. We were wrong. Everything you think you know about space, the history of our galaxy, and our place in the cosmos, is currently being rewritten. Because something is out there, watching us from the dawn of time, and finally, we have the key to see it. Today, we aren't just talking about a telescope. We are talking about humanity's greatest gamble, a machine that is literally staring back at the beginning of existence. And what it's finding might terrify you. To understand why this is a nightmare for scientists, you have to understand the machine. The James Webb Space Telescope wasn't just built, it was born from impossible constraints. It had to be folded like an intricate, golden piece of origami to fit into a rocket. Once in space, it had to perform 344 single points of failure. If one pin didn't move, if one mirror didn't click, the whole $10 billion project would be a drifting piece of expensive space junk. But it didn't fail. It unfurled, it calibrated, and it opened its eyes. And the moment it turned on, the universe we thought we knew simply vanished. Hubble showed us the universe in visible light. That's like looking at a forest through a thick, endless fog. You see the trees, but you can't see what's hunting behind them. Webb sees in infrared. It sees heat. It sees through the cosmic dust that blinded us for a century. Think about the pillars of creation. We've looked at them for decades, but when Webb pointed its golden eye there, the fog cleared. We didn't just see the stars, we saw them being born in the fire of creation. But here is where it gets strange. In the middle of those dust clouds, there are structures, movements, and shapes that our current physics cannot explain. We are seeing things that shouldn't exist in the early universe. Webb is a time machine. Because light takes time to travel, looking at distant objects is literally looking into the past. Webb is seeing galaxies that formed just 300 million years after the Big Bang. According to our textbooks, these galaxies shouldn't be here. They are too massive, too bright, and too old. They shouldn't have had enough time to grow. It's like finding a fully grown adult in a nursery of newborn babies. How did they get there? Is our understanding of the Big Bang completely wrong? Or is something else responsible for this cosmic acceleration? This isn't just a scientific anomaly, it's a breakdown of reality as we've mapped it. And then, there's the hunt for life. Webb is analyzing the atmospheres of exoplanets with a precision that makes us sweat. We found carbon dioxide, water vapor, and methane in worlds that shouldn't support life. Every time we get a data readout, the world holds its breath. Are we alone? Or are we just looking at the ruins of civilizations that lived and died before our sun even existed? The data is coming in, and it's whispering secrets we aren't sure we are ready to hear. We are standing on the brink of a new era. Every day, the James Webb Space Telescope sends us a signal, a light that has traveled through the void for 13 billion years just to reach us. We are finally seeing the true face of the universe. And it is much older, much stranger, and much more mysterious than we ever dared to imagine. If you want to keep unraveling these secrets with us, you need to be part of the journey. Subscribe to this channel, because the next image Webb sends down could change everything you believe about your own existence. The truth is out there, and we are finally pulling back the veil. Thanks for watching. Are you ready for what comes next?